Our universe is a three-dimensional bubble expanding in a larger nirvana, a never-ending nirvana of 11-dimensional hyperspace. Spaces beyond human comprehension.
Just moments ago, Michio Kaku, the renowned theoretical physicist, was left visibly shaken by a discovery made during India's Chandrayaan-3 mission. The findings from the lunar surface have sent shockwaves through the scientific community, and Kaku himself has raised serious concerns. What was uncovered on the moon's south pole that has experts scrambling? Stick around as we dive into the shocking details that have left even the most seasoned scientists questioning everything. From mysterious materials that defy the laws of physics to anomalies beneath the surface, this discovery may rewrite everything we thought we knew about the moon. A goldmine of resources or alien secrets. India's Chandrayaan-3 mission made history with its soft landing on the moon's south pole, an area never before explored up close. Scientists had long speculated that this region could hold the key to sustaining future lunar colonies, with its permanently shadowed craters potentially storing vast amounts of frozen water ice. This was a crucial find for humanity's ambition to live off the moon, and early data confirmed that these ice deposits were indeed present, adding fuel to the excitement. However, the discovery didn't stop there. Chandrayaan-3 also uncovered magnesium and silicon, two elements vital for constructing lunar habitats. But when the rover, Pragyan, began using advanced spectrometers to analyze the moon's regolith, things took a startling turn. The composition of the soil revealed traces of a material that couldn't be identified. Not only was it unlike anything found on the moon or Earth, but its properties seemed to break all known rules of physics. The material appeared to absorb electromagnetic radiation in ways that no other substance could. This baffling discovery challenged everything scientists thought they knew about the moon and materials in general. As scientists began to examine the data more closely, the implications of this finding became even more concerning. Could this material have been deposited by an unknown force, or perhaps even intelligently placed there? If this material doesn't occur naturally, who or what could have put it there? These are questions that have yet to be answered, but they point to a possibility that many had dismissed until now. The idea that the moon may not be a barren wasteland, as we've always believed. Could there be something else out there, lying dormant beneath the surface? While the discovery of water ice and minerals in the south pole of the moon was already groundbreaking, this new find was a game changer. It opens up a slew of new questions and theories. What is this material capable of? And what is its true origin? Could this material be harnessed for energy storage, or even help in building technology that humanity has yet to imagine? And if it's extraterrestrial in origin, what does that mean for our understanding of life beyond Earth? The mystery deepens with every passing day, and even Michio Kaku, known for his optimism, has admitted that we may be on the verge of a discovery that could change humanity forever. Michio Kaku's unthinkable panic. When the preliminary data from Chandrayaan-3's findings reached Michio Kaku, he could hardly believe his eyes. As one of the most well-known theoretical physicists, Kaku has long been an advocate for space exploration and the idea that the universe holds many unknowns. He's been a vocal proponent of humanity's quest to understand space, but even Kaku was left unsettled by what the Chandrayaan-3 mission uncovered. The strange material found on the moon, with its ability to absorb electromagnetic radiation in ways that no known substance could, defied all logical explanations. This wasn't just a minor anomaly. This was a discovery that shook Kaku to his core. He's been known for maintaining a generally optimistic view of space exploration, but this find suggested that there may be far more on the moon than any of us realized. The material's unusual properties made it clear that something far beyond our current understanding of physics was at play. In Kaku's own words, this was a game-changing discovery, one that left even him grappling with the implications. This new material, if it exists naturally, could alter the very laws of science that have been the foundation of space exploration for decades. Kaku's panic wasn't solely based on the potential of the discovery itself, but also on the larger implications of what this discovery might mean. If a material like this exists on the moon, what else could be out there in the depths of space, waiting to be uncovered? Could the material be part of a larger system, possibly an extraterrestrial technology or artifact? With these questions lingering, Kaku called for a more cautious approach to future space exploration. If humanity is truly on the brink of discovering something that defies all known scientific laws, how should we proceed? The phantom heat signatures. While the mysterious material found on the moon's surface was enough to cause alarm, the discoveries didn't stop there. The Chandrayaan-3 mission also detected strange heat signatures coming from beneath the moon's surface. These heat fluctuations were completely unexpected because, according to scientists, the moon's geology is thought to be dormant. There has been no volcanic activity on the moon for billions of years, so what could be causing these unusual temperature changes? The heat signatures, which fluctuated in a way that suggested some kind of reaction to external stimuli, added a layer of complexity to the situation. Initially, scientists hypothesized that the heat could be the result of subsurface magma activity. However, this theory was quickly dismissed due to the moon's lack of geological activity. Instead, these heat emissions could be pointing to something far more enigmatic, perhaps even linked to the unknown material found earlier. Could the heat signatures be a sign of extraterrestrial technology or energy systems hidden beneath the surface? This discovery aligns eerily with long-standing theories that the moon might be hiding alien artifacts or even extraterrestrial structures. For decades, conspiracy theorists have suggested that the moon could be more than just a celestial body. It could be a location for alien observation or experimentation. Many have speculated that the moon's surface holds the remnants of ancient civilizations, possibly from other worlds. And now, with these strange heat signatures, could there be evidence that these long-standing theories aren't as far-fetched as they once seemed? Could the moon actually be harboring extraterrestrial technology, or even be part of an alien base that has remained hidden for millennia? The discovery of the void. The excitement and terror of the Chandrayaan-3 mission reached new heights when the rover, Pragyan, revealed yet another astonishing finding: a massive void beneath the moon's surface. Using advanced ground-penetrating radar, the rover detected a cavernous space that appeared to be far more than just a natural geological formation. What shocked scientists was the discovery of geometric shapes within the void. These shapes looked far too organized to have been formed by natural processes, and they sent the scientific community into a frenzy. Could these structures be artificial? The idea of an artificial lunar structure isn't new, but the discovery of geometric patterns beneath the surface is groundbreaking. Some scientists have even speculated that these shapes could be the remnants of an ancient extraterrestrial civilization. But what makes this discovery even more mind-boggling is the size of the void. Preliminary data suggests that the space is large enough to house an entire small city, leading some to wonder if this could be evidence of a long-lost lunar civilization, or perhaps an alien base hidden beneath the moon for reasons unknown. As scientists continue to analyze the data, speculation grows. If these structures are indeed artificial, they could be the key to unlocking a host of new questions about the moon and our place in the universe. Could the moon have once been home to intelligent life, or could it still be in use by an advanced extraterrestrial species? The discovery of these geometric shapes raises the stakes for future space exploration. If we're truly standing on top of a hidden city, what will it mean for our future missions? And if these structures are from another civilization, should we approach the moon with caution or dive headfirst into the mystery? Theories galore. With the latest discoveries from Chandrayaan-3, the theories have been flowing fast and furious. Some scientists have raised the possibility that these strange structures could be the remnants of an extraterrestrial civilization. The moon's proximity to Earth and its lack of atmosphere make it the perfect location for an alien base. If an advanced species did construct these structures, they could have done so as a means of monitoring Earth, or even for resource extraction. The idea that the moon may have once been home to intelligent life, or that it still is, has certainly captured the public imagination. However, not everyone is convinced that these structures are alien in origin. Some scientists have proposed the possibility that these could be remnants of an ancient human civilization, far older than anything we've known. This theory aligns with a growing body of research suggesting that advanced human civilizations may have existed millions of years ago, only to be wiped out by catastrophic events. Could these ancient humans have left their mark on the moon, sending us a silent message that we've yet to fully understand? If this is true, it would forever change our understanding of Earth's history and our place in the universe. There's also the unsettling possibility that these structures are not remnants of a long-lost civilization, but rather something far more dangerous. What if the structures are still active, and the heat signatures detected beneath the surface are part of a system designed to react to intrusions? What if disturbing these ancient structures could trigger something that humanity is unprepared for? Michio Kaku himself has warned that we must approach the moon with caution, as the true nature of these discoveries may be far more complex and perilous than we can comprehend. Theories abound, but one thing is certain: humanity stands at a crossroads. The discoveries made by Chandrayaan-3 have pushed the boundaries of what we know about the moon, space, and our place in the universe. Whether these findings point to extraterrestrial life, ancient human artifacts, or something else entirely, the implications are enormous. And as the data continues to trickle in, we can only wonder what the next discovery will reveal. Kakus Warning. The discovery of these unusual structures on the moon has left the scientific community reeling, and no one has been more vocal about the need for caution than Michio Kaku. Known for his optimistic outlook on space exploration, Kaku has always championed humanity's thirst for knowledge. But now, even he is urging restraint. As Kaku has pointed out, the unexpected nature of these findings demands a more thoughtful and deliberate approach to space exploration. We may be on the verge of uncovering something far more profound than we ever expected. Kaku's warnings are not merely about the physical dangers of exploring the moon's surface. He's concerned about the broader implications for humanity's future. If the structures on the moon are indeed extraterrestrial, or even if they were created by an ancient human civilization, we could be faced with consequences that we can't predict. The heat signatures beneath the surface suggest that there might be active systems or technology still in place, ready to respond to intrusions. In this case, what would our response be? Should we push forward with more missions to uncover the truth, or should we take a step back and evaluate the potential risks? These concerns raise new questions for international space exploration as well. Should nations cooperate to investigate the moon's mysterious discoveries, pooling resources and knowledge for the greater good? Or will the moon become a battleground, with countries racing to stake their claims and secure control over the resources and potential technology that could lie within the lunar structures? Kaku has urged the scientific community to consider these ethical and political questions carefully. Our approach to space must be based on cooperation, transparency, and a shared respect for the unknown. While Kaku remains committed to the idea of space exploration, he has emphasized the importance of addressing these discoveries with humility. The moon is no longer just a barren, lifeless rock. It is a potential treasure trove of information about our universe, our history, and perhaps even the future of human civilization. As we continue to explore, it's crucial that we proceed with care, acknowledging that the universe may not operate according to the rules we've set for ourselves. The unfathomable void beneath the moon. The discovery of a massive underground void beneath the lunar surface has left scientists both amazed and puzzled. Using advanced ground-penetrating radar, the Chandrayaan-3 rover identified a cavernous space that, on first glance, seemed far too vast to be a simple geological formation. What shocked the team even more was the discovery of geometric shapes and patterns within the void, structures that appeared to be purposefully arranged. These formations were unlike anything we've ever seen on the Moon or any other celestial body, further deepening the mystery. Could these structures be the remnants of an ancient extraterrestrial civilization? The sheer scale of the void and the organized nature of the shapes suggest that this could be the case. If these structures are artificial, they could represent one of the most significant archaeological finds in history. The dimensions of the void are large enough to house a small city, and some scientists speculate that this could be a long-forgotten base, potentially created by an alien species. The idea that an advanced civilization might have once inhabited the Moon or used it for observation is now more plausible than ever before. But while some scientists entertain the theory that these structures could be of extraterrestrial origin, others propose that they could be remnants of an ancient human civilization, one that predated our current understanding of history. This theory aligns with growing evidence suggesting that intelligent life may have existed on Earth millions of years ago, only to be wiped out by catastrophic events. Could some of these ancient humans, or their artifacts, have found their way to the Moon? If this is the case, it would rewrite everything we thought we knew about human history. The possibility of these lunar structures being human-made, but from a much earlier era, raises profound questions about our planet's past. Could it be that we're only scratching the surface of humanity's potential for exploration and technological advancement? What happened to this ancient civilization, and what lessons could we learn from their rise and fall? These questions continue to linger as we await further analysis of the lunar data. But one thing is clear: the Moon holds secrets that could change our understanding of both the cosmos and our own origins. Alien artifacts or advanced technology. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the Chandrayaan-3 mission, it's becoming increasingly clear that the Moon may not be the barren wasteland we once thought. The discovery of strange heat signatures emanating from beneath the lunar surface and the identification of geometric shapes within the void have sparked widespread speculation. Could these be signs of advanced extraterrestrial technology hidden on the Moon, waiting to be uncovered? The implications of such a discovery would be far-reaching, raising more questions than answers. Some scientists argue that these strange heat emissions could be the result of alien technology still operational beneath the surface. The fluctuating temperatures could indicate that some kind of energy system or machinery is at work deep inside the Moon. If this theory proves correct, it could mean that extraterrestrial civilizations have been using the Moon as a base for monitoring Earth, or even for more complex purposes, such as experimentation or resource extraction. If these structures are indeed technological, they could represent one of the most significant breakthroughs in the history of space exploration. But could these heat signatures and structures also point to something more sinister? What if disturbing these long-dormant technologies could provoke an unintended response? Could the Moon's surface be part of a larger defense system set to react to any intrusions? These are unsettling possibilities that have caused some experts, including Michio Kaku, to call for extreme caution in further lunar exploration. After all, if humanity is truly on the brink of uncovering extraterrestrial technology, it's crucial that we proceed with care and respect. At the same time, some remain skeptical of the extraterrestrial hypothesis, opting instead to focus on the possibility of an ancient human civilization or even a forgotten chapter of Earth's history. But whichever theory proves correct, one thing is undeniable. The discoveries from Chandrayaan-3 have brought us to the edge of a new frontier in space exploration. The Moon is no longer just a distant, lifeless body in the sky. It is a place filled with secrets that humanity may not yet be ready to confront. Lunar structures. The discovery of geometric structures beneath the Moon's surface raises fascinating questions not just about the history of the Moon, but also about the future of space exploration. If these structures are indeed artifacts, their implications for humanity could be far-reaching. Some have speculated that the advanced properties of the unknown material found on the Moon could revolutionize energy storage or propulsion systems. Could these artifacts hold the key to the next generation of space travel, or even interstellar propulsion? Scientists have long dreamed of developing faster, more efficient propulsion systems to enable deep space exploration. The discovery of materials on the Moon that could absorb electromagnetic radiation and possibly be used for energy storage or propulsion is tantalizing. Imagine a material that could help power spacecraft with minimal energy input, or even create energy fields that make objects effectively invisible. The potential applications for such technology are mind-boggling. But if these structures are indeed ancient and of alien origin, we may be dealing with technologies that humanity is not yet ready to understand or control. The possibility that these lunar structures could be part of a greater network of alien technologies opens up even more possibilities. If the Moon was once used as a base for extraterrestrial civilization, could it be part of a larger galactic infrastructure designed to facilitate travel or communication across the stars? The discovery of these structures could be the key to unlocking new technologies that could change space exploration as we know it. But with such power comes responsibility, and scientists like Michio Kaku have emphasized the importance of proceeding with caution, ensuring that humanity doesn't rush into an area we may not fully comprehend. Whether these structures are alien or the remnants of a human civilization long forgotten, they are undeniably a stepping stone toward new possibilities in space travel and technology. The next steps in lunar exploration will be crucial in determining whether these ancient artifacts can be harnessed for future advancements, or whether they remain a mystery, best left untouched. The real dangers of the Moon. While the excitement surrounding the Chandrayaan-3 discoveries continues to grow, experts like Michio Kaku have raised important concerns about the potential risks associated with exploring the Moon's newly uncovered secrets. The fluctuating heat signatures and strange materials found beneath the lunar surface suggest there may be more to the Moon than meets the eye. Could this newfound energy be a sign that there's something more dangerous lurking on the Moon? Or is it a phenomenon we simply don't yet understand? Kaku has expressed his deep concern over the possibility of triggering an unintended consequence. If these materials are indeed alien in origin, disturbing them could provoke a response. We have no way of knowing whether these structures are dormant or actively functioning, and if they are still working, the consequences of disturbing them could be catastrophic. Kaku warns that humanity must tread carefully, acknowledging the unknown dangers that could arise from interacting with extraterrestrial technologies or artifacts that have been dormant for possibly millions of years. Moreover, there are ethical concerns surrounding the potential of alien artifacts. If we are to uncover ancient technology, how should we treat it? Should we study it for its potential benefits, or should we leave it untouched to avoid inadvertently triggering something harmful? There are parallels to Earth's history. Societies have often found ancient technology and artifacts that, when misused, caused more harm than good. Kaku is calling for international cooperation to develop guidelines for studying these discoveries to ensure humanity's safety and prevent an unwarranted escalation of potential threats. While space exploration continues to captivate the imaginations of millions, the discoveries from Chandrayaan-3 underscore that we must approach the unknown with respect and caution. The Moon may hold many secrets, but not all of them will be easy to understand or control. As we venture further into space, Kaku's warning reminds us that every step forward in understanding the cosmos may also be a step toward unlocking dangers that we are not yet prepared to face. The Moon's potential as humanity's new frontier. The implications of Chandrayaan-3's discoveries extend far beyond scientific curiosity. The Moon, long seen as a barren rock orbiting Earth, could become humanity's next great frontier for exploration and colonization. The presence of water ice at the lunar South Pole is already a monumental discovery, but the additional evidence of advanced structures and unknown materials opens up new possibilities for the future of lunar habitation. Could the moon one day serve as a base for human civilization? Could it become a stepping stone to other planets? The water ice found beneath the surface could potentially provide the resources needed to sustain future lunar bases. Water is crucial for long-term habitation, not just for drinking, but for agriculture, air production, and even fuel generation. If we can successfully mine the ice and turn it into usable resources, it could allow astronauts and future settlers to live and thrive on the moon. The discovery of minerals like magnesium and silicon, key elements for construction, further suggests that the moon could offer the building blocks for creating sustainable habitats. However, as Kaku and other experts have pointed out, there are significant hurdles to overcome before the moon becomes a habitable place for humans. The unknown materials and the strange underground structures complicate this vision. What if these findings pose a threat to human safety, or even interfere with our ability to build the infrastructure needed to survive on the moon? The structures may not only provide new resources, but could also disrupt our efforts to establish a permanent base. Despite the challenges, the potential rewards are too great to ignore. Future missions to the lunar South Pole will undoubtedly focus on not just further exploring the ice and minerals, but also attempting to unlock the mysteries of the underground structures. If these are alien artifacts, they could hold technologies that would revolutionize our understanding of energy, materials science, and space travel. It's a tantalizing prospect, but one that requires careful planning and the involvement of experts from across the globe. The moon may not just be a stepping stone to Mars, it may be the key to humanity's future in space. The race to the South Pole. As the world watches closely, the next steps in the exploration of the moon's South Pole are crucial. The Chandrayaan-3 mission has already made groundbreaking discoveries, but these findings are just the beginning. ISRO, along with other space agencies, is planning follow-up missions that could provide further insight into the mysterious structures and unknown materials. But as we continue to explore the lunar surface, the question remains: what happens next, and how will this affect the future of lunar exploration? In the coming years, more missions will be launched to the moon, focusing on the South Pole's unexplained anomalies. ISRO's follow-up missions are likely to dive deeper into the geophysical data, and other space agencies, including NASA, are eager to collaborate on further exploration. NASA's Artemis program, for instance, aims to establish a permanent human presence on the moon within the next decade, with a particular focus on the lunar South Pole. This could lead to unprecedented levels of international cooperation, or conversely, competition, as countries race to stake their claims on the resources and technologies that could be discovered. But there are also looming questions about how the global community will react to these findings. Will they spark a new age of scientific exploration? Or will the fear of the unknown lead to a slowdown in missions? The discovery of artificial structures or alien artifacts on the moon could bring geopolitical tension, with nations racing to secure the potential resources or technologies that could change everything. Just as Kaku warned, these discoveries could alter the course of human history, shifting our priorities and changing the way we view space exploration forever. The future of lunar exploration is exciting, but it also holds challenges and dangers that we have yet to fully understand. As nations prepare for the next wave of lunar missions, the question remains: will we approach the moon with open curiosity and caution, or will fear and ambition lead us to take risks we are not yet ready to face? What's clear is that Chandrayaan-3 has opened the door to a new chapter in human space exploration, and the possibilities for what lies ahead are both thrilling and terrifying. The discoveries made by Chandrayaan-3 have certainly turned the scientific community on its head, opening up a Pandora's box of questions and thrilling possibilities. With the revelation of strange materials, heat signatures, and mysterious structures beneath the lunar surface, humanity's understanding of the moon, and perhaps even of life beyond our planet, has just been shaken to its core. As we venture into this new era of space exploration, one thing is undeniable. We are standing at the precipice of the unknown, and the future of space exploration could change in ways we never imagined. Could these findings mark the beginning of an entirely new chapter in science and technology? Or should we approach these revelations with caution, fully aware that we may be on the verge of unlocking secrets that we're not yet prepared to comprehend? As these discoveries continue to unfold, they raise far more questions than answers. What will we uncover next, and what does it mean for our future? The questions are endless, but one thing is for sure: our exploration of the cosmos has only just begun. So, what do you think about these shocking findings? Are we looking at the remains of an ancient civilization, or something much more dangerous? Could this reshape our understanding of the universe? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of space, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest developments. The future is full of surprises, and we'll be here to explore it all with you.